Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to make a scatter plot in Excel. Yes, please subscribe to my channel and remember to like the video. Please, thank you. So let's dive in. So today we are using study hours and test scores. So our study hours, let me start a new row above here. Let's add two. So let me add another one. So our scatter plot, the study hours, let me just copy this one, study hours. Our study hours are will be the x-axis values as the study hours that determine how our scores will be. So in the other word is the test scores. The test scores will be the y-axis values. So these are the dependent variables, they depend on time. So to plot our scatter plot, we just highlight these values and then click insert. On the insert, click on recommended charts, and then find for all charts, then click on X and Y scatter. And we will use this one. Yes, use this one. Don't use the first one, use the second one. And click OK. So this is our scatter plot. So but our scatter plot is not complete because we need the linear equation, we need the r squared value. So we will just insert x titles. So we just say this one are the test scores as they are the y-axis values, and then it will be the study hours. Yes, then our title will be test scores versus the study hours. Yes, with that, like that, you already have the completed scatter plot. The next thing that we'll need to do is amplify, making this chart a bit bigger by increasing the font to 12, by also changing the font to Times New Roman. Yes, like that, and then I will enlarge it like that, which is called resizing, like that. Then the next part is to add a trend line and to add the r squared value. So we click on this plus sign here, click on this plus, then say trend, then say more option, then say click here down, display equation, and display r squared value. And that's it. So this r squared value is 0.94, which means that 90%, 94% or 93.6% variation in the test scores can be explained by the study hours. Yes, then I prefer highlighting the whole thing, making it to font 12 and Times New Roman. Yes, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Yeah, subscribe for more. Yeah, see you soon with another video. Thank you.